Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get electric lobster and fish. First, ensure your fishing level is at least 15 to access the necessary areas. You will need a sturdy fishing rod and a supply of electro bait, which can be crafted or purchased from the general store. Always check your inventory before heading out to the fishing grounds. This preparation saves time and increases your chances of a successful catch. Let's get started with finding the perfect spot. Electric lobsters are typically found in the deeper, more mysterious parts of the ocean. Head towards the sunken city ruins or the whispering depths. These areas are known for their high concentration of electro-charged marine life. Keep an eye out for visual cues like shimmering blue water or small electrical sparks. These are clear signs you're in the right place. Using your in-game compass can help you navigate directly to these prime locations efficiently. Once you're at a hotspot, equip your electro bait and cast your line into the glowing water. The electric lobsters have a distinct, powerful bite, so pay close attention to your fishing bobber. When you get a bite, quickly press the action button to begin reeling. You'll need to manage your line tension carefully, as these creatures put up a significant struggle. Don't let the line break, or your prize will escape back into the depths. To maximize your electric lobster haul, try fishing during in-game thunderstorms. Their spawn rates significantly increase then. Consider upgrading your fishing rod and reel for better durability and a higher catch rate. A stronger rod makes reeling in those tough lobsters much easier. Remember, patience is key, and practice makes perfect. Also, for an amazing home upgrade, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. Happy fishing!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.